Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a running and jumping over a log cycle. Okay, now make sure you do one thing, do this, subscribe, just for you to see it. I'm gonna be putting it here. Okay, let's begin, shall we? This is the animation we're gonna be doing. And don't forget that the ending part rewrites the same word. Subscribe. Five. Okay, let's teach how to make this type of animation. Alright, so let's begin. First, we get to the face layer of this. Now, this is the first frame where we have the person running. This is a continuous movement and it's not a start movement. Well, we only have start movement when we have an animation like this. His starting pose. I think I've already taught something like this before. Yep, I think so. I taught you how to animate something like this, and as I said, this is the start pose, then the punch. But that is not what we're doing today. Today we're doing something a whole lot different. This is a start pose, so we start like this, then this is also called the pass pose, up pose, this is the up pose, then the contact pose. You won't understand pass pose, then up pose, then contact pose. Now he keeps running like this until he hits this place. Now at this place it comes, legs comes down, leg comes down, I can see at this place the log is already coming for him to jump over it. Now as you can see he stops here, so I can make a good leap up so that I can be able to force up the leap. Now he jumps. This that can be much more squish and stretch, much more. So turns in mid-air. I put him flick free because when things are mid-air, they are no longer stiff, so they have to be free, floating free. I bring him down could move a little bit. See? Then down and do a very awesome landing pose. I know all of you like it. Awesome landing pose. Then he begins his run again. See? He gets out of the screen. Then that's what makes the animation be like this. Then gets out of the screen. So let's talk about more about the jumping. I've already taught you how to do a running cycle before. Now this shows the anticipation of the jumping. Then this is the stretch. Now this is an arc. See? He's rotating around this cycle. See? Until he lands. He's rotating around the same cycle so that it can be able to be an arc. Arc is one of the principles of animation. If you watched this, I'll send you. I'll maybe put the link in the description. But if you don't see it there, it is not my fault. Yeah, truly, it's not my fault. Let's go over this one more time. Now, if you're worried why I do not draw, then don't worry. I'm gonna take you behind the scene and show you how I draw. Now, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. The trees are like the just put them randomly so that you can be able to do one single thing. Show that at least it's moving. That's just the importance. Then I stopped it here as Now I didn't do much anymore. I just made the entire background brown, or a much darker brown, so the animation will be like this. Get it? Okay. But still, do subscribe is a very important thing. Like, subscribe, and if you want to see more of my videos, you can check this. I have only 2 subscribers. Please help me get more. This is my video. This is my video. This is the I only have 1 views on this video. Please help me. I'm begging you guys, please help me. Okay, now that we finish this problem, let's run over this animation one more time. Then he jumps. Good. I think it's good. And this is an 11-minute animation. Don't forget to subscribe. This was really hard for me to do. Subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. Subscribe. Oh, and also comment if you have any problems.